What is the SI unit of electric current? Ampere. Which of the following material has the highest electrical conductivity? Copper. A circuit has a voltage of 12 volt and a current of 3 ampere. What is the resistance? Four ohms. If a resistor with a resistance of 10 ohms carries a current of 2 ampere, what is the voltage across it? 20 volt. What is the formula to calculate electric current? I is equal to V over R. What is the potential difference if a current of 2 ampere flows through a resistance of 4 ohms? 6 volt. What is the power dissipated by a resistor with a resistance of 6 ohm when a current of 2 ampere flows through it? 8 watt. A circuit has 3 resistors connected in series: 2 ohms, 4 ohms and 6 ohms. What is the total resistance? 12 ohms. Which law states that the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the voltage across it provided the temperature remain constant? Ohm's law. A resistor has a resistance of 100 ohms. If a current of 0.5 ampere flows through it, what is the voltage across the resistor? 50 volt. If a voltage of 24 volt is applied across a resistor with a resistance of 8 ohms, what is the current flowing through it? 3 ampere. What is the total resistance of 3 resistors connected in parallel? 3 ohms, 6 ohms and 9 ohms. 1 ohms. Which of the following is a unit of electrical resistance? Ohm. What happens to the resistance of a conductor when its temperature increases? Increases. If a current of 5 ampere flows through a wire with resistance of 2 ohm, what is the voltage drop across the wire? 10 volt. What is the power consumed by a resistor with a resistance of 8 ohm when a current of 4 ampere flows through it? 64 watt. In which direction does conventional current flows? From positive to negative. Which of the following material is typically used as an insulator? Glass. Calculate the current flowing through a resistor with a resistance of 12 ohm when a voltage of 36 volt is applied across it. Three ampere. A circuit has two resistors connected in parallel, 4 ohms and 6 ohm. What is the total resistance? 2.4 ohm. What is the unit of electrical power? Watt. What happens to the brightness of a bulb if its resistance increases? Decreases. If a current of 0.5 ampere flows through a resistor with a resistance of 20 ohm, what is the voltage across it? 10 volt. What is the power dissipated by a resistor with a resistance of 4 ohm when a voltage of 12 volt is applied across it? 12 watt. What is the total resistance in a series circuit with a resistor of 2 ohm, 4 ohms and 6 ohm connected in series? 12 ohm. What is the resistance of a conductor if a voltage of 120 volt produce a current of 4 ampere? 30 ohms. What is the function of a fuse in an electrical circuit? To break the circuit in case of excessive current. Which of the following is a correct formula for calculating electrical power? P is equal to VI. Calculate the current flowing through a resistor with a resistance of 15 ohms when a voltage of 30 volt is applied across it. 2 ampere. A circuit has 3 resistors connected in series, 3 ohms, 6 ohms and 9 ohms. What is the total resistance? 18 ohms.